Yes, so as long as it's an admitted claim and they're, authorizing that treatment, yes, they'll cover the bills. Now, we get in circumstances where they're, denying an injury, or where they say, yep, we admit that you hurt your back, but now we're denying what they call the nature and extent. So they're basically saying, yes, you got hurt, but we don't think you're hurt as bad as you say you are, or as bad as your doctors say you are. Now, that's where you may get into an instance where you are recommended, let's say, an MRI, or you're recommended PT, and your insurance company is denying that, or they're just not responding. Now, some people, they say, hey, I need this treatment. I don't want to wait any longer. I'm in pain. I need to go see a doctor. I need to get this treatment. If that's the route you take, you are able to put it through your private health insurance or pay out of pocket. In those instances, make sure you just keep track of all the bills and keep track of any out-of-pockets you pay, because you can then make a claim to get reimbursed. The risk you run with that, though, is if you don't prevail on that claim, you are stuck with those out-of-pockets. But generally speaking, we do see a lot of people that, kind of say, hey, I don't want to sit here and delay my treatment. Well, they're denying it, and they go through with it. They'd have these out-of-pockets, and that's something that we would just include as part of your claim. So yeah, generally speaking, they will pay the medical bills as long as it's an accepted and admitted claim. There are those weird instances where, some people, they call and say, hey, I don't know where this is at. I can't get a hold of the adjuster, or my clinic is saying they're denying it, but that's not what my adjuster's telling me. Generally, those are good times to get an attorney involved, because we can get a straight answer one way or another, or at the very least, if they don't answer us, we can get it what we call certified, or dispute certified, and then we can file a claim. Because at the very least, I see so many times people, they come in and say, yeah, Max, I haven't heard from the adjuster in 3 weeks. My clinic's wondering what's going on. Or, they're saying they need more info, and I've given them that info. And so lots of times they're just spinning wheels, and then, they call me, and then at the point they're so frustrated, it's like, yep, you know what, I'll take over. I'll get a claim filed. That way, at the very least, if they are actually denying this, we have the ball rolling, we have a claim filed, then we can wait our line, wait for our turn in front of the court.